No, the title is not clickbait. I really am considering selling this leisure travel van. Well, this video isn't exactly what I thought I was going to make for this week. I got really busy and was not able to make the video that I wanted to make, which is what it takes to run your air conditioner on your lithium batteries. The entire component list, what all you need. A lot of people think you can just throw in a couple of lithium batteries and kick on your air conditioner, and that's not the case at all. Several modifications you have to make, especially in a leisure travel van, meaning an inverter, some wiring, some fuses, so all kinds of things, right? So in fact, hit the subscribe button and that bell so that you'll know when I actually do that. I'm going to do that in the next few weeks and give you every detail about that, as well as give away a Softstart RV. The Softstart RV was the very first mod I made in my leisure travel van, which allows you to start your air conditioning plugged into basically any power source, you know, a household plug or on my lithium batteries with the mods. And so anyway, we'll be doing that video really soon, but I just want to get back and explain what I mean by thinking about selling this particular leisure travel van. We've had it over a year now, and we have really enjoyed it. Thank goodness we got it. I ordered it right before the pandemic started in February. I got it at the end of May in 2020. So we didn't really get to go far because of this COVID crisis that we've been experiencing for the last 16, 17 months. So we never got up to Canada. We didn't get to do the things we wanted to do. So we've had it for a year now, but I really want to experience another floor plan and see if the FX is truly the floor plan that I want for the long term. So I am going to order a Unity RL. Why not the Wonder? You know, it has crossed my mind. I haven't completely made up my mind, but these things sell in about 3.5 minutes right now because of the demand. And I know I won't have one for about 2 or 3 years because I'll be in the wait line just like everybody else right now. But will I be RV-less? No, we're going to be purchasing a fifth wheel in the very near future. I explained that in another video. We're building a house on some property in Colorado. It'll be a great, you know, time to go up there and park it there while house gets built, plus get to RV. But I'll be without a leisure travel van for possibly 2 years. I don't know. So anyway, that's the thought process. I'm not completely convinced I'm going to do it. Janet's no help because she said, sell it if you want, keep it if you want. I love it, but if you want another floor plan, go for it. So that's not a lot of help as far as the decision-making process goes. But anyway, so that's the video for this week. I assure you that I will give you a little more in-depth. I know a lot of people subscribe to this channel to get some education on floor plans and, you know, Wonders versus Unities, all of those things. So we'll be getting back to that next week. And I apologize, I got busy. So this week is all about me lamenting if I'm going to sell this beautiful FX or not. But be tuned for that video coming up about the lithium battery upgrade, because Leisure Travel Vans has a lithium upgrade. So if you want to run your air conditioner off of that, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. You can't get it from the factory at this moment. I have been in discussion with them about things they should do, offer a boondocking package. So who knows, in model year 23, 24, that could be a thing where they get that upgraded inverter and things. But that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and give it a thumbs up. Really helps the algorithm. I know this video really didn't say anything, but still, you know, thumbs up, yay. So anyway, I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, and we will see you with a better video next week.